Hello, welcome to Totally Rambling. Well, there you go. I almost said it by default. Okay, so all this is a redo of a video I wasn't happy with. So, because I just rambled on for like half an hour and it probably made fuck all sense to anyone. So, I was talking to another lock sport enthusiast about this. They weren't exactly sure what it was. Well, they understood what it did, but for $5 you can get yourself a breadboard, one of these, a bunch of jumper wires. So yeah, I think that's on Banggood or somewhere like that. And the reason why I was doing this is because I have a stack of these 85 amp esks, and these ones have been reprogrammed for to run brush code, hence why that's not connected on the power feed in and the serial line, or signal line I should say. And on this guy there's Simon K code, so there's 3 wires. They're all connected because that's a brushless motor. The difference between the two is that brushless motors don't have gearboxes, so you have to create a gearbox with a pulling mechanism, being belt drives or chains or whatever the hell you choose to use. So in front of you, what we have here is 2 copies of the same code. However, I'm just about to overwrite one with the other, and there's no USB cables in there, so I'm obviously not doing it like that, and I'm not using a USB programmer or an FTDI type device. Pardon me. So what I will do is, if you're paying attention, well, you can, well, it's a bit blurry, I can tell that through the camera. You could try and, yeah, that's better. Okay, so this one's going every 500 milliseconds, and that's going every 200 milliseconds, so that pin goes high. When I plug this in over here, what it should do is upload code onto that, so it will replicate itself over. Usually this would have to be powered by a USB cable to program it, or one of these guys on the ISP headers. On this one, the ISP headers are broken, so without wasting any more time, make sure I'm plugged into the right spot, which I'm not, so it's still blinking its head off. I may actually have the TX and the RX pins around the wrong way. Yeah, because that's still going too quickly. So one may be the master and the other may be the slave. Well, that's definitely the case. Okay, so here we looks like we got some action perhaps. Nope. Alright. Well, I don't recall changing that to 7. Okay. What have I done here? Made a boo-boo, I think. Something slightly not connected properly. It's all done up there. This one should start to kick over. Now they're synchronized. Now they're synchronized at 500 milliseconds. That's basically what I was trying to convey. So in a batch programming scenario, potentially, this could be used. It's not my code, it's code by a fellow named George Carley from 2010. It's spayed on GitHub. I'll link those later. I'll just upload this public right now and get it over and done with. Then redo all the links and stuff that were in the previous video. So if you find it interesting, come back in, I don't know, a couple of days and you'll find the information you're looking for there. So yeah, I've found that bit of self-replicating code interesting. So there you go. And then the noise is the power supply next to it, powering that, because that's not 12 volt and that's a 3 volt line. This runs on 3 volt anymore, and the smoke will pour out of it. Well, actually, it's got some decent protection in it, but yeah. Anyway, I'm just rambling. I think I've made my point. So with these breadboards that you can get, I've got 2 for $10. You get little programmers, things like that, so you can program directly too. But yeah, this was a self-replicating Arduino sketch, so I'll put a link to the original author. You could see that was running. So originally I'd modified it, and you got to change the sketch size and a few other variables in there. But yeah, this may have other applications which are useful. So that went from running to flashing every 200 milliseconds. This was every 1,000 or every 500. Now they're flashing away 500 milliseconds in unison. So yeah, that's about it really. Totally random, lots of peaks, and well, the random part is right there. Thanks for watching. Happy picking. If you've got any questions or interested in electronic stuff, drop it in the comments. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye.